Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 6th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 2 hour time frame to start with. So I wanted to start on the 2 hour time frame because this is where we have a nice smooth cycle for what is either a wave 3 or a wave C. Basically, this is the time frame that is tuned correctly that will likely tell us that this wave 3 or this wave C is over. If it is a wave C, you'll likely get a double top at a fib level, which at this point could be to 78%. If it's not a wave C, then you might just go up, make another higher low, go up, make another higher low, and eventually give us a break of structure up here, which will definitely prove that the higher weekly time frame uptrend is back on. So definitely still looking for longs until we either get a break of structure to the downside or we break the higher time frame structure, which may at that point cause a much bigger pullback. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.